So I'm Sandeep Shah from Optimize Electrotech, and we are into imaging systems and surveillance platforms. These are all completely indigenous platforms we have made in India. The platforms are ranging from extremely short range distance in visible light to as far as 30 kilometers also in thermal. So this one is for the border surveillance, where a single product or single system can take images of people from as far as 12 kilometers and recognize automatically. So you don't have to have a human being. Nobody has to check the screen to know whether there is a person or not. It will tell you how many people are there. It will count and it will tell you. From 12 kilometers, it can also tell you whether he's carrying a gun or not, if it's a large gun. And from half a kilometer, it will recognize and tell you whether this was a militant you were looking for or not. This one is for access control as well as for organizations to make sure that all the employees remain safe post-COVID. Because post-COVID now people are starting the offices. Already most offices are now at 50%. Others are increasing to 100%. So in that case, all the employees do not need to really walk and stop there. You know, it's much different from guns that we use, far more accurate, and it is a walk-in thermometry along with face recognition. So a person just needs to walk, and you would say that, okay, this is, so Sandeep has entered over here, and that he was at so and so temperature, whether or not he was wearing a mask. So all of that gets captured directly, no intervention again. The idea is to make autonomous systems. Again, this is completely made over here in India. This is a camouflage system for Indian Army, as well as for borders of or perimeters of any critical infrastructure. So it sits inside the fence pillar, after which you have the wire mesh. And inside the fence pillar, it gives you zero false alarm. So with normal systems, what happens is, with seismological sensors or with other motion detectors, even if it's a wild animal that is running past, it gives you an alarm, which eventually makes the person complacent, whether or not really there is an alarm or it's a true alarm or not. This system completely eliminates that problem. It can actually tell you that yes, there is a 100% guarantee that this is a human being who is either crawling or he is walking or crouching. So either which way it can tell you, and you can have multiple of them across the periphery, and there will be a central system of a knocked vision which will be looking into the direction that you want to. So this is all that we have at this moment, and these are all platforms completely made in India. So being winners of IDEX Disc 1 as well as Disc 4 today, we have this opportunity to actually serve the Indian Air Force as well as Indian Army with foliage penetration as well as with UAVs. So the cat vision or the cat eyes, they start from 25,000 rupees onwards up to as high as 50,000 rupees. The relays, they start from 1.5 lakh onwards to 2.9 lakh. And the vision series, it starts at 12 lakh rupees for the lowest number of knocked vision, and the highest series of OmniVision goes up to few crores. Prize we won is for Indian Army's challenge. It is for foliage penetration. The problem that Indian Army has been having for years together is that militants normally enter either during fog into our border, or they enter behind the bushes. So the normal existing systems do not understand if somebody is walking behind the bushes or around the bushes. But even behind bushes, there is still some scope of actually looking into things, right? There is a line of sight available. But today's systems do not work that. So there are certain other systems available today from Israel, which have been doing a fantastic job at it. And Indian Army wanted to get indigenous, much low cost and fully autonomous systems for those activities. So we have today won the prize for foliage penetration, where we have been asked to make a foliage penetration radar along with a fusion system, so that you can know within 360 degrees, 2 kilometers, where exactly are movements happening.